Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 29th of October. Looking at yesterday's trading session, we had locally the CPI number come out. That came out at 1.6%, slightly above the forecast, whilst the trimmed mean CPI came in at 0.4%, which was better than the forecasted. Even though the data was positive for the Aussie dollar, a lot of panic selling overnight shot the US dollar up, which has caused our Aussie US dollar to fall down around about 60-70 pips for the session. The other data to come out came from Canada, and the US CAD again shot higher after the Bank of Canada left its interest rates unchanged. However, they now expect a smaller contraction for the year 2020, and they lowered next year's growth outlook, pledging to continue buying bonds. So there you have it. That's pretty much all that's happened yesterday. So let's move along to our chart of the day. Now, the chart that I showed you yesterday was the Aussie CAD. That chart actually broke up first, which meant we had to cancel our order, and then later in the session it dropped down, breaking our entry point. So in essence, nothing has happened. We cancelled our order out, and it's a non-event. So let's see what I've got for us this morning. I am now looking at the Aussie US dollar on a daily timescale, and you can see there's yesterday's session that I spoke about, the Aussie dollar coming down. Now, I mark out this level. The market has come to that level once. It's touched it just so slightly a second time, and we are approaching it again. Now, what I'm particularly looking for is if I can get any kind of price action reversal in this zone, I would be interested in buying a trade. It's also the 70 level, which psychologically is a big number. The only other possibility that may happen is this market could actually shoot right through it, and if it shoots through with a very strong bearish candle, so one like this that's colored in red, then there could be an opportunity for the breakout traders to basically on the open of the next candle to shoot it off in this direction. Okay, so depending what your trading plan is and the type of trader that you are, the trade that I'm looking for, our bread and butter, is I'm actually looking to try and bounce off that support level. In order to be able to do that, I do need to wait to see if I can get some confirmation of the price action actually reversing in this zone. Once I get it, then I'm happy to attempt it in that direction. Okay, there you have it. The Aussie US dollar on a daily timescale is our chart of the day. Add that to your watch list. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, we have tentatively throughout the day in Japan, the monetary policy statement is due out today, so look out for that. There's no scheduled time for it. We have then at 10:30 this evening from the US, it's the advanced GDP number. At 10:45, we have the interest rates decision from Europe, as well as the monetary policy statement. Look out for that. A lot of volatility at the moment in Europe. Germany overnight has announced a partial lockdown, which includes closing of bars and restaurants until December 1, I believe it is. And also France has announced a nationwide lockdown to the same date. So it is affecting Europe, that second wave of COVID. So look out for the policy statement here, and let's see what the plans are for the euro. And then finally at 11:30, which is 45 minutes later, the ECB will come out and give out their press conference regarding their decisions. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.